Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick first impression video on these Firestone Destination AT2s that I picked up about a week ago. I did some googling about them and there's a lot of good stuff based on the reviews of these tires. Let's see what we're going to find out. Okay guys, so let's start with the tread. As you can see here, this is more aggressive compared to your typical or regular all-season tires. Hence the name all-terrain. Looks like they're pretty good for your, forest service roads, gravel roads, maybe a little bit of mud and some snow. You can see lots and lots of siping here. This is where the water evacuates, so you don't hydroplane. It's really good. And then another good thing about these sipes is that they are full depth. Let's see if I can get that in shot. Full depth sipes, which means you have the full effectiveness of the tire throughout its whole life. You can also see stone ejectors, which is going to help kick out all those rocks and gravel when you're driving down in the forest service road. Based on what I've read, this continuous center rib is going to give the tire good fuel economy and highway driving stability. Okay guys, another thing with the tread pattern, as you can see here, it is a symmetric tread pattern, which means it can be mounted at any corner of the vehicle, which is going to give the tire very long life compared to your, directional tire, where it has to be mounted only facing a certain direction, which is forward. Okay guys, let's talk about the sidewall. It's got two sides. So you've got the white sidewall, white lettering, or just your plain straight up black letters. Now that depends on your style, but I do prefer the clean black sidewall that we have on right here. So that's what I'm probably gonna do by the time I mount this on my vehicle. It's a little bit less aggressive compared to your mud terrain tires, which is the most aggressive. I believe the Destination AT2 has got your 2-ply sidewall, which is good enough for your soft road, light off-road duty. It's also gonna give your vehicle good fuel economy because it's what makes it light. Another good thing about these AT2s is that, as you can see here, let's get this going. And let's zoom in on over here. Okay, these AT2s are mud and snow rated, and they have your 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, which means this tire is rated for your winter driving conditions, which is good for, if you only have one set of tire. Let's say if you only have this, you can drive this all year round without a worry. Back to the construction of the tire, I've also read that Firestone has also updated their compound that they've put into this tire, their silica compound, I believe, which give this tire good grip on the road. I've also heard that it's very quiet despite its all-terrain application. So overall, I think this tire is gonna perform well. I'm excited to put them on when springtime comes because I'm currently on my winter set. Yeah, I think I would prefer the black sidewall, to be honest, but that's just me. I've also read that Firestone also released another more aggressive version of this tire, which is called the XT2, and that one, if I'm not mistaken, is more fit for heavy duty trucks and whatnot, whereas this AT2 is more for your, let's say, crossovers or SUVs or light pickup trucks. Hence again the 2-ply sidewall, which makes it light and fuel efficient. And along with that is our mountain snowflake rating, which is really good, especially up here in the north where we have to switch up our tires by the time November comes in, just so we won't be sliding around and causing an accident. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. I am excited. Maybe I'll film again by the time I mount these tires on my set of wheels back there. But in the meantime, that is our first impression of Firestone Destination AT2s. See you in the next one.